Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve desktop on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve desktop on Instagram app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here we'll enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window or to the app of Instagram. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can go to storage. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.